Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll teach you how you can install the full version of Corel Draw. Let's just get right into it. First of all, you need to have your setup ready. Right click on it and extract here. Enter the password and enter. So don't worry, I'll provide a link in the description so you can follow up to download the software. Okay, so this is the extracted file. I'll right click and open the folder, choose setup, scroll down and select the setup that has the administrator icon on it. Double tap to run it. Confirm that you want to allow this app to make changes to your computer. Yes. Allow the installation result to complete. Please enter your information. So you leave it as it is. I have serial number. Then you turn on next. Choose an installation option. Typical custom. So we choose the custom because it's the best choice. We allow the installation process to complete successful. Okay, so we are done installing, and what we have to do is to agree to their terms and conditions. For you to continue, you need to read through everything here. If not, you can disagree. But you can also agree, but just in case you don't know, disagree means you can't run the installation again. So then, I assume I've read it, so I just agree. When you see this information, just go to the top and close it. Close the installation wizard. Then go back to your crack folder. You locate your PC and double tap on the C drive. Go to program files, then all the way to Corel. Then continue to Corel Draw 2021. Then you scroll down to program 64. Then here, right click, you copy your crack here. Come back here, right click, or you can just drag and drop it to replace it. Then boom, yeah, that you make sure you close everything. So then I'll launch it. Corel Draw has been successfully installed on your PC with a full version. So that's all for this video, and please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel.